Hello guys, welcome to Brainwave Academy. Before I continue, please I urge all of you to subscribe. Just subscribe and be learning this mathematics. And it's not only mathematics you are going to learn for this channel. You can also learn physics. You learn physics. And I told you before, you learn a lot. So this is just the beginning. Please subscribe, tell your friend, and to tell your friend to tell another friend, and to tell another friend to subscribe to this channel. And subscribe to this channel, comment, and share. Please share. It's no, if you do that, nothing will harm you. And for today's video, we are going to learn. We're still on a word problem to quadratic equation. The question says that what a woman. What's our concern was with woman in mathematics? But let's see. A woman is 4 times. 4 times what? Older than her child. Imagine this woman is too old. 4 times. That means the woman is 40 years. The child will be divided by what? Divided by 4 is 10. So let's see. Older than her child. 5 years ago, remember I give you this the meaning of this ago before. So the product of their ages was what? 175. Find their present age. It's very, very simple. Like I've said, we don't know the woman's age. We are comparing two people now, the woman and the child. And I said that you have to consider the one that have little age, which means the child. Which means the child, there's no way the child will be older than the mother. So we have to start with the child. So we now say let the child age be a letter. You start from the child because the child age is lesser. So solution. Let the child age be let me say y. Let the child age be y. But you say a woman is 4 times, and I said times in my previous video. I said times mean multiplication, which means the woman's age is equal to 4 times the child age, which is what? 4y. This is their normal age. But the other comment was they said 5 years ago. 5 years ago their age was not like this. If they are 20 years, if one is 20 years now, that 5 years ago is minus 4. And I say ago mean minus. Which means I say 5 years ago, their ages was the child age is y minus 5. Then why the woman's age is 4y minus 5. This is their age 5 years ago. So now their product of their ages that 5 years ago was 175. Their product of their age that 5 years ago, and we have get their 5 years ago. Multiply it and equal to what? 175. Then find their present age. So what you're going to do is multiply the word to this y minus 5, open bracket, equals another one 4y minus 5 is equals to the 175. So then we now open the bracket. Y times 4y, we have 4y squared. This is minus y times 5, we have 5y minus 5 times 4 is 20, then y. Minus times minus is plus. 5 times 5 is 25. It's equal to 175. This is what I have. We now have 4y squared. Minus 5 minus 20, we have minus 25y. Plus 25. This is 175. And every quadratic sum of the equal to 0. Take it to this, we'll have minus 175 equals to 0. We now have 4y squared minus 25y. 25 minus 175, we have 100 minus 150 is equals to 0. This is it can change to what? Quadratic equation. So in this case, we can decide to use factorization method. We can decide to use general formula method. We can decide to use what? Complete the square method. In this, let me use a factorization method to make our work very, very easy. So now, what we have is this. The short method I used to use to find my factorization method is very, very easy. If you want to really learn, you go back to my previous video. we now draw an arrow here, another arrow. What number can I multiply to have 4? We can say 2 times 2. Remember there's another one, 4 times 1. I'll keep it. Then the number I can use to multiply, I can say 75 times what? 2. I can say what? 50 times what? 3. And I can say 25 times 6. These are the factors of what? Each one. So what am I going to do? My aim now is to get what? 25. 2 times 75 is 50. 2 times 2 is 4. So there's no way this one can work. If I say 2 times 4 is 8, 75 times this is not going to work. So what am I going to do? I will use this one, 50. Let's say 50 times 3. It's not going to work. 25 times okay, it's a 50 is 75 times 3. We have okay, let's assume, let me use this one, 4 times 1. Then here is 25 times 6. We have 75 times 2. Then, if you cross multiply, 25 times 1 we have 25. 4 times 6 we have 24. There's no way we can get 25 if we subtract or add. So the next thing is I'm going to do this. I will interchange this. We have 6 and 25. 25 times 4 we have 100. 6 times 1 is this. Since that is giving us a problem, we can use general formula method by comparing this AS square plus BS plus C is equals to 0. Our A is equals to 4. Our B is equals to minus 25. Our C is minus 150. So our A is equals to 4, B is equals to minus 25, and C is equals to minus 150. So we are looking for Y. We have Y is equals to minus B positive negative the square root of B square minus 4AC all over 2A. So we impute all the value inside this what? Formula. We have Y is equals to minus, what is B? Minus 25. The reason why I open bracket is because of the next minus, plus minus the square root of B minus 25 again, all square. Minus open bracket 4 times A is 4, times C minus 150 all over 2 times A, 4. We now have Y is equals to minus cancel and we have 25, positive negative, minus 25 squared is the same thing as 25 times 25. And 25 times 25 is 625. I'm not mistaken. 25 times 25 is 625. The square root of 625 minus times minus is plus 4 times 4. 4 times 4 16 times 150. That is 2,400 all over 8. So this is what we have. We continue from here. So from here we now have Y is equals to 25 positive negative the square root of 2,400 plus 625. That is 3,025 all over 8. We have Y is equals to 25 positive negative the square root of the answer is 55 all over 8. Y is equals to, we take this 25 plus the first sign plus 55 all over 8 or 25 minus 55 all over 8. We now have Y is equals to 25 plus 55, we have 80 all over 8 or this one is minus 30 all over 8. And you can see H can never be minus, we cannot use this value. We are dealing with this one. Y is equals to 80 divided by 8, we have 10. And remember I said let Y to be child age, which is the age of the world, the child, that is 10 years, which is 10 years. So the mother's age is 4 times the word, the child, which is the woman's age. Woman's age is equals to 4 times 10, is equals to 40 years. As if I know the answer before. So the woman's age now is 40, while the child's age is 10 years. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and peace out.